Have you ever wondered how a passenger jet can fly faster than the speed of sound and what kind of engine makes that possible? The engine of the world's fastest passenger jet, such as the legendary Concorde, is one of the most powerful and complex machines ever created by humans. The process of making this engine begins with detailed design work, where engineers decide how much power is needed, how the engine will remain stable at supersonic speeds, and how it will handle extreme heat and pressure. Unlike regular passenger aircraft engines, supersonic engines make push air at incredible speeds, so every design choice focuses on strength, efficiency, and safety. Once the design is finalized, engineers select special materials that can survive extreme conditions. Supersonic jet engines operate at temperatures so high that ordinary metals would melt or even weaken. To solve this, materials like titanium alloys, nickel-based superalloys, and heat-resistant steel are used. These materials are lightweight, incredibly strong and capable of withstanding intense heat, but they are also expensive and difficult to shape. Even so, they are essential for building an engine that can safely operate at supersonic speed for longer periods. The first major section of the engine is the compressor located at the front. Its job is to pull in air and squeeze it tightly. Large blades spin at very high speeds, drawing in huge amounts of air and compressing it step by step. As the air moves through each stage of the compressor, it becomes hotter and denser. These blades must be perfectly balanced and smooth because even a tiny defect can cause serious damage. For this reason, each blade is carefully manufactured and tested before installation. After air is compressed, it enters the combustion chamber, where controlled fire is created. Jet fuel is sprayed into the hot, compressed air and ignited, producing a continuous flame. This process releases enormous energy, but it must remain stable and controlled at all times. Engineers design the combustion chamber in special shapes so the flame burns evenly without damaging the engine walls or going out during flight. The hot gases produced by combustion then move into the turbine section. Here, the energy of the fire is converted into mechanical power. The gases rush past turbine blades, causing them to spin at extremely high speeds. This spinning motion powers the compressor at the front of the engine, keeping the entire system running. Turbine blades are among the most advanced parts of the engine, featuring internal cooling channels and heat-resistant coatings that allow them to survive extreme temperatures and pressure. What truly sets a supersonic passenger jet engine apart is the afterburner. In this section, extra fuel is sprayed into the already hot exhaust gases and ignited. This creates a massive increase in thrust, allowing the aircraft to break the sound barrier and reach speeds above Mach 2. Although the afterburner consumes a lot of fuel and produces intense noise, it is essential for achieving supersonic flight. Once all the components are ready, the engine is assembled with extreme precision. Thousands of parts are fitted together, with measurements accurate to microns. Every bolt is tightened with exact force, leaving no room for error. After assembly, the engine undergoes intense testing, including running at full power, exposure to extreme temperatures, and simulations of emergency situations like bird strikes or sudden shutdowns. Only after passing every test is the engine approved for flight. In the end, the engine of the world's fastest passenger jet stands as a masterclass of human engineering, proving that the innovation and determination humans can push beyond ordinary limits and conquer supersonic travel. So next time you see a jet streak across the sky, remember inside that sleek body is not just metal and fuel, but decades of human intelligence, courage, and innovation working together. The engine of the world's fastest passenger jet is a reminder that when humans refuse to accept limits, even the sound barrier becomes just another challenge to break. From raw metal to roaring power, this machine proves one powerful truth. Speed is not just about moving faster, it's about thinking smarter. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and more interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel.